In front of me is Motorola Razr 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to tap on Privacy Controls. Hit Permission Manager and finally select any feature to manage. Now tap on one of your apps and apply one of those options by tapping on a perfect one for you. You can also select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!